Welcome friends. Have you ever thought why does a 10 rupees increase in petrol price barely reduce the demand, but the same increase in pizza makes the customers to disappear? The answer lies in price elasticity of demand. So can a company increase its profit by raising prices? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Learn the secret through price elasticity of demand. We will learn why it happens. Price elasticity of demand measures the degree to which quantity demanded responds to change in price. So it is based on value of elasticity. Demand can be classified into 5 types. First is perfectly elastic demand, which is denoted as ED is equal to infinity. Demand is said to be perfectly elastic when the extremely small increase or change in price causes an infinite change in quantity demanded. What happens? Consumers are highly sensitive to price change. Even at a particular price, consumers buy any quantity they want. Even a tiny increase in price reduces demand to zero. The demand curve is here perfectly horizontal, parallel to x-axis. I have shown all the elasticities in a graph. In a graph, you can see there. So agriculture products sold, example is agriculture products sold in highly competitive international market are often cited as theoretical examples. If one seller charges even slightly more than market price, buyers switch to other sellers. So here the graph will be made as demand curve horizontal straight line, which is shown parallel to x-axis. Perfectly elastic demand is mostly theoretical concept. It used to explain certain perfectly competitive markets. Second is perfectly inelastic demand, where it is shown as ED is equal to 0. Demand is perfectly inelastic and quantity demanded remains unchanged regardless of price changes. Here consumers continue to buy the same quantity even if price falls or rise. Demand curve is vertical, parallel to y-axis. No responsiveness to price changes. Example is life-saving drugs such as insulin for some diabetic patients may or approximately perfectly inelastic. Medicine for chemotherapy their demand are inelastic because they are essential regardless of price. Its demand curve will be vertical straight line parallel to y-axis. Its importance, government often considers inelastic goods when designing tax policies because demand does not fall much when prices increase. Now, number 3, relatively elastic demand. Here ED is greater than 1. Demand is relatively elastic when percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in price. Consumers respond strongly to price changes. Small price reduction lead to large increase in sales. Many substitute products are usually available. For example, branded soft drinks, Pepsi, Cola, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, restaurant meals, so many restaurants in the market. The luxury clothing of various brands often have elastic demand because consumers can switch to alternatives. So if price falls by 10%, demand increases by 20%. So since ED is greater than 1, demand is relatively elastic. So reducing price can increase total revenue because increase in quantity sold outweigh the falls in prices. Next is relatively inelastic demand. Demand is relatively inelastic when the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. Here consumers are less responsive to price changes. Quantity demanded changes only slightly, usually associated with necessities like salt, electricity, cooking gas, basic food items, have relatively inelastic demand. So if price rises by 10%, quantity demanded falls only 5%. Here elasticity of demand is less than 1, demand is relatively inelastic. Examples are firms selling products with inelastic demand may increase price and still maintain substantial sales revenue. Then comes unitary elastic demand. Demand is unitary elastic when the percentage change in quantity demanded is exactly equal to percentage change in price. So here price and quantity both change proportionately. Total revenue remains unchanged. Demand curve lies between elastic and inelastic range. So example is if 10% increase in price causes 10% increase in quantity demanded. Revenue effect when demand is unitary elastic, price falls leads to price falls, quantity demanded rises proportionately. Price rises, quantity demanded falls proportionately. Total revenue remains constant. These concepts help firms to identify the point where changes in price do not affect revenue. So elasticity, value consumers' response of perfectly elastic elasticity of demand is infinity. Relatively elastic elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Unitary elastic, highly responsible. First is consumer response is perfectly elastic, means it is infinity extremely responsive. Relatively elastic, where elasticity of demand is greater than 1 is highly responsive. Unitary elastic, it is equal to 1 is proportionately responsive. Relatively inelastic, elasticity of demand is less than 1, is less responsive and perfectly inelastic. And ED is equal to 0 is not responsive. So it can be said price elasticity of demand is crucial concept in microeconomics because it helps firms to formulate pricing strategies, government design tax policies, and economists predict consumer behavior. So understanding different type of elasticities allows businesses to and policymakers to anticipate how consumers will react to changes in prices and make more informed decisions. You can, if you finally understood elasticity of demand, then hit the like and share button and subscribe for more MEC 101 concepts. Thank you.